I am Joe Grumbine, and I am currently the CEO of Kokonola, and I've been brought in fairly recently to take this company to a new level. And behind it all, I'm also a formulator and a manufacturer of the parent company that's underneath Kokonola. So I'm coming at this from a point of view of reaching new markets, bringing new products to the world, and taking this unique approach to these types of products and bringing it alive. And so that's what I'm here to do. Well, I got started in the CBD industry before we even knew what CBD was. So this goes all the way back to the THC market. I was involved in California medical marijuana program for 25 years, and it started out as a need to have a hypoallergenic, suitable for sensitive skincare. And from that, I was teaching classes on cannabis-infused products, working with doctors and compounding pharmacists on a number of different planes. One day we decided, well, let's take some of these things that we've already made and infuse them with some active ingredients. And next thing you know, we're doing pain studies and finding out that, holy cow, this stuff's amazing. There's something unique and special about Kokonola that I think that everybody should understand. Kokonola is about healing people. You know, the core team inside of this company are people that are patients, are people that have worked with patients, athletes, elderly people that suffer pain, anxiety, every kind of ailment, and our friends and family have these problems. So these products have literally been made for ourselves and for our loved ones. And so when you find out how something that you make can help the people that you love, you now want to share that with everybody. And so that's really kind of underneath it all what drives this. Then the other side of it is science. It's all an emerging science. And so in an effort to create something that's the very best, you know, we're all about, let's take it to that place that's the best. And so that's underneath it all. And then finally, we're working with doctors, we're working with the people that are benefiting from this in the way that ultimately I believe this is going to be the medicine of the future. And so our goal is to quantify this, to further the science, to bring this out into the mainstream with the backing of knowledge that says, hey, here's the study, these are the people, this is what it was before, this is what it was during, and here's what we got now. We can create something that could now maybe in the future be called medicine. Right now FDA doesn't call it medicine, they say it's a supplement. We can't say it's medicine because it hasn't gone through the rigors. We're saying it probably could and probably should. And so let's take it to a place. What if you could have a medicine that didn't have a list of side effects that were harmful? That's what we're here to do. When people say, you know, who is Kokonola? That's, I think, an important question. Todd and Ruben, who literally developed Kokonola from scratch almost 5 years ago. I was working with them on a different capacity at the time, and they had this idea of creating a brand and bringing good quality products to the world, therapeutic products, and they've been working together. They're the ones that actually got this started, cultivated it, developed the name, the brand, the feel, all of that before I even got involved directly. The thing that really drives us is finding our place, being recognized as the pinnacle, as when you want that Rolls Royce, you go to Kokonola. You go and you find that's the one that's got the best. And so that's one of the things that is on the inside. And what's happening now is we're working with more and more doctors. We've got pain management doctors we've started working with, dermatologists, sports doctors, physical therapists. We're working with massage therapists. All types of different practitioners are starting to come to us, and we've begun some studies. We're working with collecting data, working with these professionals, even some athletes. We're in the process of getting our products in the hands of some professional athletes that are willing to put this to the test, and we're excited to see how this really starts to come out. Because to me, it's not about what you say. You know, people come to me all the time and, oh, well, did you hear what they're doing? And I don't care what they're doing. They want to know what we're doing, and that's the difference. This is we're leading, not following here, and so that's the thing that makes this team amazing. One of the things that we want to focus on is the very best possible type of product that we can make. And so I am involved with that personally, and I help to formulate these products, actually physically make some of these products. And so one of the things that we do, first of all, is we focus on what makes the product. So when you're looking at a product, it's like a cake or something that you might eat, right? Because you do eat some of these things. And even if you put it on your skin is your biggest organ in your body, so it's getting absorbed. So we literally look at every single ingredient, and with Kokonola's products, we don't have just CBD and coconut oil, or what some of these products are, very simple, so many milligrams, and that's the big thing. We're working with a number of ingredients that together make these products unique. And so we work with botanical compounds, concentrates, we work with carrier oils, butters, all types of natural ingredients. And what we don't work with are toxic chemicals. So we don't work with toxic preservatives, stabilizers, emulsifiers, a lot of fillers. We don't use anything that just fills up space like so many of the other companies might do. It might not be as economical. We might not have the same profit margin as some of these companies, but we do have better products. What we do is we work with the very best possible source of every ingredient. We actually grow some of the ingredients on our farm, and a number of the key components to our proprietary base are actually grown here on site at this place. And we work with sustainable best practices in the best possible way, and we're making sure that these plants that are being used and extracted and being put into our products are not causing harm to the planet and are grown in the very best and most natural possible way. This is huge. This is a thing that when people use our products and they've used somebody else's, they always go, wow, I don't know why yours is better. Well, this is one of those things. These are subtle differences. Anyways, we have a website that you can purchase items from directly, but we also have just rolled out a delivery service, and as far as I know, there's not a lot of CBD delivery services. And this is something that's important. We're living in this crazy world of 2020. We got COVID running around. We got firestorms running around. We got people literally afraid to leave their houses. Once you get to know this brand, you're going to want to have access to it. We can ship it to you, but what if we could drop it to your house? What if we could have one of our representatives roll up and say, here you go, We now offer that. Another thing that we do is we do have an office where we have in-house consultations. We've got a team of experts that you can come to and talk about your situation. We've got a happy hour on Saturday where we do product testing, give you a chance to try things out for free. Come on in, meet the team, try something for yourself. People ask me, well, what are you going to do next? And where do you see this company in the next year, 5 years, 10 years? Where are you going? Frankly, sky's the limit.